Hello students, you have already studied about identity 6th and 7th, which is a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Now let's do a few questions based on these two identities. Suppose the question comes, evaluate 104 cube. Let's see how to do this question. 104 can be written as 100 plus 4. Now this has become of the form a plus b whole cube, where this is a and this is b. A plus b whole cube, where a is 100 and b is 4. It is of the form a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now this will be equal to a cube means 100 cube plus b cube means 4 cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now 100 cube means 10 lakhs plus 4 cube means 64 plus this is 3 into 100 square into 4. 3 into 4 12 into 100 square, that is 10,000. It becomes 1,20,000 plus 3 into 100 into 4 square, that is 16. It's 4,800. On adding these we'll get 11,24,864. This is the answer. Let's do the next part. 97 cube. Now this 97 can be written as 100 minus 3. Now this has become of the form a minus b whole cube, where a is 100 and b is 3. You can also use a plus b whole cube in case you write it as 100 plus minus 3. If you are writing 97 as 100 plus minus 3, then you can use a plus b whole cube, where a is 100 and b is minus 3. But now I'll be using a as 100 and b as 3. So I'll be using a minus b whole cube here. You can also use plus. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. We have done its derivation in the previous videos. This will be equal to 100 cube minus 3 cube minus 3 a square means 100 square into b 3 plus 3ab square. That means 100 into 3 square. This will be equal to 10 lakhs minus 3 cube is 27 minus 3 into 100 square into 3, it's equal to 90,000 plus 3 into 100 into 9, this is equal to 2700. So on solving all of these, on solving, like this is plus, so add them first, then perform this operation. See, this is minus and minus, overall sign will be minus, but the operation would be addition. So on solving this, we'll get 9,1,2,6,7,3. This is the answer. Let's take one more example. (9.8) cube. Now 9.8 can be written as 10 minus 0.2. Now this is of the form a minus b whole cube, where a is 10 and B is 0.2. Now let's use a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this will be equal to 10 cube minus 0.2 cube minus 3 into 10 square into 0.2 plus 3 into 10 into 0.2 square. I have simply put the values of A and B in this RHS. A is 10 and B is 2. So 10 cube, it's equal to 1000 minus this is 0.2 whole cube. So it will be equal to 0.008 minus this is 3 into 10 square, that is 100. That means 300 into 0.2, that is 60, plus this is 3 into 10, 30 into 0.2 square, that is 0.04. So it will be equal to 1.2. On solving these, we'll get 941.192. This is the answer.